How to check order history on Facebook. First and foremost, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the profile icon with three-line icon. That's gonna take you to your menu page. Here, scroll down a bit, then tap on settings and privacy. From here, again, tap on orders and payments. So once you're under orders in payment page, at the very top that says recent activity. So under that section, you will be able to find all your order history that has been delivered, or if you have any pendings or complete activity, that's gonna pop up right there. So for now, I don't have any orders on my Facebook account, so there is no any order history. But if you have already made an order from Facebook, all your activity regarding your orders will pop up right there, and from there you can track and manage your Facebook order. And tap on the cart icon at the top right corner, and under this page you will find all the items that you have added to your cart on Facebook. So that's how you can check order history on Facebook, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.